10 unknown facts about Yashasri Masurkar. First, Yashasri Masurkar is an Indian television actress and voice actor. Second, Yashasri Masurkar was born on 30 December 1986 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Third, Yashasri Masurkar went to G.J. Vartak Vidyalay, Vasai, Mumbai. Yashasri Masurkar completed her graduation from the University of Mumbai. Fourth, after completing her formal education, Yashasri Masurkar began working as a radio jockey at All India Radio. She then worked as a customer care executive at a BPO. Fifth, Yashasri started her film career in 2016 with Marathi film Lal Ishq, where she played the role of Nisha. In 2021, she was cast in Kabad, the Coin as Savita. Sixth, in her childhood, Yashasri appeared as a child artist host in a Marathi television reality show. She gained widespread recognition in 2010 with the television show Rang Badalti Odni on Star One, where she played Khanak Khandelwal. Seventh, in 2011, she appeared in the television show Chandragupta Maurya as Mruganayini. Eighth, in 2013, she was cast as Sumitra in Do Dil Bandhe Ek Dori Se, where her portrayal of a vamp earned her significant attention. Ninth, in 2015, Yashasri played Agnishikha in Chakravarti Ashok Samrat. The following year, she appeared in Krishna Dasi in a supporting role. 10th, in 2019, she was seen in the Marathi television serial Lakshman Resha. Subscribe the channel.